How to read deleted WhatsApp messages. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. If you open WhatsApp and the message is deleted, what you want to see, what they sent you, what you can do is go to settings. In settings, click on apps and notifications. In apps and notifications, click on notification. Then scroll down, click on advanced. Scroll down, you'll find notification history. Click on notification history. Then scroll down and search for WhatsApp in here and click on WhatsApp. And you will find the message here. Even if it's deleted, if it was on your phone in the notification, you'll find it below WhatsApp. And from here, you will be able to see the deleted messages. And this is how to read deleted WhatsApp messages. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.